So today I'm working on an older John Deere. It's a 5203. I'd say it's a late 90s, early 2000s model. It's got a clutch, 3-speed, and then 3 modes. You got high, low, and mid-range. Rear PTO. It's my wife's grandpa's tractor. Not doing anything to the tractor itself, but his grappling hook this tooth was sticking straight out at a 90-degree angle. I kind of bent that back, and this one's like bent and twisted. It's got a nice twist here. I tried heating it, but what I'm gonna end up doing is cutting this off right here on both sides. Try to straighten out a little better, and then weld in like some 3/8 plate or something, whatever I can find. So basically this is all the talking I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get you set up on a tripod and time lapse and just knock it out. Let me know if you guys like tractors. This is a pretty fun one. I wish it was hydrostatic because I'm lazy. I'm a city boy that moved out to the country, and I'm like simple. I used this tractor to do a lot of work around here when we were building this house. So, but for now I'm just gonna get to work. We're on a tight schedule today. Kids got soccer and we got football today. It's Sunday. All right, guys, it's finished. It's not perfectly straight, but it's a lot better than what it was. I cut out the old piece that's down there on each side. That one's been cut and welded and repaired a few times, so made it a little bigger. It's a little thicker, and it's as straight as I can get it. Got a lot of this twist out that was right here. Putting the vise on there and wrenching on it helped. On this side, I wish I would have got a picture beforehand, but right about here, it was sticking out 90 degrees. It was a snaggle tooth. So that side came out pretty good. If he continues to have issues, I'll weld the brace on this side. I can just have it come up, out, and then back up. That way it's not snagging on stuff. All right, guys, thanks for watching. That's going to wrap it for this video. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, if you'd like to see more on tractors, this thing always needs some work. I can certainly film some of that. This was the first time I did it.